And today, I'm like 7 minutes late, so bear with me. And I didn't do this video earlier like I normally do and share it out to everybody. So we're just going to kind of go along with whatever we have going on today. I woke up and the market was looking nice, guys. Bitcoin was looking refreshing at a nice 43,000. Why is this important? Well, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the Bitcoin market state and if we should be celebrating this victory yet. It is a small victory, but if you notice in any kind of sustained battle, the small victories are the ones that lead you to where you want to go. So you need to win the small victories in order to win the war. So we're going to be celebrating this small victory of getting back up over 43K. And yes, we do need to celebrate the small victories, because if we don't celebrate the small victories, when the big victories come, it'll be anticlimactic. And yeah, so getting spam calls early in the morning. So it actually is not really early in the morning. It's 11 a.m. my time. But for me, I am a night person. I always have been. I mean, I love the day, love the light, but I've never been able to go to bed early. So I'm always a late sleeper. I don't get up before noon. Just not me. So I guess you get to know a little bit about me. I'm still drinking my coffee and just woke up. So I drink 1 coffee a day. But we definitely need to get in and look at this market today. And I'm going to take some, requests. If you guys want me to talk about a certain crypto today, we can do that, because it's kind of an open forum today. We're just kind of having fun. We're celebrating the little victory we have with Bitcoin. So let's go look at that victory, by the way, while we're sitting here. I really was kind of happy to see this. I know altcoins haven't really started to recover. That's because nobody has actually believed that this recovery is sustainable. And I know, and I believe in my heart that it is sustainable. And that's why I never give up, guys. And check it out. I figured out the VPVR. So we have a little bit more knowledge in our technical analysis now, because I figured out this is the VPVR, which is the volume per whatever. I'm not exactly sure what that's called. VPVR, volume per. I don't know. Let's look. Let's see if it does. I think it says VPVR, volume profile visible range, and why that is important, guys. And I want to explain it to you a little bit, because nobody's ever explained it to me. This is basically the area where a lot of volume has gone into Bitcoin at. So if you look here, this is all the volume. I'm not exactly sure what the difference in the yellow and the blue is, though. Number of rows, 24, up, down, 70. Okay. Well, as you see, there wasn't a lot of volume going in at 68,000, even less volume going in here. That looks like selling volume. Maybe the yellow is selling volume and the blue is buying volume. I'm not 100% sure on that, but that's kind of the way it looks to me. I could be wrong on that, guys. So I'm still learning. I can't wait to, pick some people's brains on this and actually learn a little bit more. I mean, I guess I could study it right now with you guys. Let's look it up. On the VPVR, what is the difference between the yellow and the blue? And different colors for different periods. Take note the following blue arrows on the volume profile chart. Hold on, let me see. Actually, let's look this up with you guys. I don't have to look it up right here. Okay. To buy low and sell high, it's always in your best interest to know what you're buying. Inflated price volume profile will help you do so. All right, let's go to this page, OTC.Financial, because I want you guys to take this journey with me. .Financial, and this will help anybody who's an up and coming financial analyst. and trying to figure these things out like I am. I know I can't be the only one doing this, because I'm really into crypto, but okay, volume profile. Maybe I should have. Okay, hold on. OTC, we won't put the dot. Financial volume profile. There we go. I think that should do it. Yeah, right here. Okay, here we have it, guys. So, volume profile terminologies you will associate with volume profile. Point of control shows the highest traded volume during a specific price time frame. That would probably be on Bitcoin at 68,000. That's what I'm thinking. Profile high shows the volume profile bar where the security reached the highest price level. Traded volume. Highest traded volume. Oh, okay. So no, the highest traded volume would be right here at 47. That's the highest traded volume. The red line right here. Okay. And then the highest one would be the 68,000. Okay. And then the lowest price level, which would be 28,000, 29, right around here. Okay. And then the value area. I think this is where we're getting into the blue and the yellow. Value area shows the volume profile bars where the majority of volume traded for the specific time frame. A value area, or VA, is where 70% of the volume in total volume profile is located. Okay, the value area. So that's going to be like right around here. There's some in the 30,000. So we're probably right around. The value area is probably right around here because, yeah, there's a lot up here, but there's a lot down here too. So probably somewhere in the middle right here, like right where we're at or where we were at yesterday, this 39. Guys, there's a reason now. I'm actually tracking a bigger reason why we went down to this $39,000 level. If you think about it, it's telling us right here, the value area. That's where we're at right now. See, these are why I study these things. Because you wouldn't have known this if you didn't look at that. This is probably the value area where we just dumped to. Before there wasn't as much volume up here at these levels. At the first time when we were over here, this thing would have looked a lot different. So this is another really good piece of information that we can show you guys. And now let's go even further into this. Value area high. So this would probably be the value area high up here, or even up here where we're at right now, or even the 43, right here where we're sitting. This could be the value area high because look, 39 was the value area. And then this would be the value area low, like 36. And then the value area high, which is like right where we're at right now. So that's pretty cool. And then we already talked about the value area low. High volume node is one of the most important features of the volume profile. It shows the area with the most traded price for a particular time frame. High volume nodes are much longer than other volume profile bars around them. Okay, that would be this one. It is bigger than all the other ones around it, and even this one. So these are two high profile areas at 46 and 48, guys. So this tells me that the people that bought the crypto at these levels, they're going to be dollar cost averaging down here. They're not going to be selling at a loss. Anybody who sells Bitcoin at a loss should actually exit stage left, because you don't sell Bitcoin for a loss, guys. You don't. That's just not what you do with Bitcoin. If you're selling for a loss because you bought in at 47,000, it went down to 40,000, you're in the wrong game. Just politely leave. Don't make a scene. I'm serious. But if you're in here for the long haul, then you're going to make money. And if you absolutely refuse to sell for a loss, you win. That's how you win this game. How do you win crypto? Don't sell for a loss ever. Do not sell that crypto until it went higher than what you bought it for. No matter if it takes a month, a year, 5 years. Okay, maybe after 5 years, reevaluate the situation, because if you haven't made money in 5 years, then something happened to crypto. There was some unforeseen event that happened, but other than that, you're going to be rich. Low volume. Okay. So it still isn't telling me what the difference is between the blue and the yellow. I wish there was just an answer for that. What is the difference between the blue and the yellow? Is an indicator showing price range where the stock was most traded. Show the bigger bar where the more volume was traded at that price. The side is more mirror. The volume provided indicator plots the point at which trading activity is most concentrated. This helps determine where traders are buying and selling. Okay. The most important feature of the volume profile is showing the most traded prices at certain time frames. Okay, I guess it doesn't really matter the yellow and the blue. I just wish I knew what that difference was and why they're hiding what the difference is. Why are you hiding that information? It just feels like they're hiding it. I'm looking through this whole thing, and the simplest thing would be like, okay, the yellow on the half of the bar is what was bought, and the blue is what was sold. Or I don't know. That's just my guess, because I don't know what that is. Oh, well. We'll figure it out one day. Maybe I'll ask somebody, because sometimes word of mouth knowledge is a lot easier than studying knowledge, because studying knowledge, you get this broad range of information, right? And so it doesn't really tell you what you're looking for, and you have to study for hours just to find the one thing that you were trying to locate, because it's in all this area. It's probably in here somewhere. Yeah. Session volume, closing price. Oh, these are books. Guys, if you really want to become a pro, I might actually, well, I don't want to do just volume price analysis like that. I guess there's like a whole section on just volume price analysis. Wow. And then there's another book called Volume Profile. Okay, by Trader Dale. I should write a book. Types of technical indicators: buying and selling volume, relative strength, moving averages. Okay. Well, anyway, let's look at these moving averages too now while we were here. Okay, 43,339. That's the EMA 9. We're above that one now, guys. Good job for that. The EMA 50 is at 48. We are that EMA 50, look where that is. In the biggest volume area. Is that any indication of kind of where we're going, guys? Now, there is a lot of volume down here, but these guys are sitting pretty right now. There's no way they're selling up here. So this volume is safe, basically. Almost all this volume is locked in right now, because we are so far above it. Nobody down here. They might be taking profits up here, but those would be the people that are taking money off the table, the ones who bought in down here, which isn't smart, because if you're already bought in here, you're already safe for a while. Right? You have a longer area to go, so why not hold until it pumps? But we'll see. I still think we're following this pattern as we did before with the mini bear market in the bull market. As you see, there was much more crazy volume at this level. Look, 32,000, lots of volume at this area for that time. So look at all this volume accumulated at this level. Now, that tells me if we go back to over here, okay, this is a lot of volume. This is almost as much volume as came down here. Like I'm saying, almost, right? So, and then there was a lot of volume that came in right here. If we actually go right to here, okay, well, that changes things, because then we're going back a little too far, I think, right there. But yeah, it's weird how if you move it to a certain date, I'm not sure exactly how far out this is supposed to go, because the farther out, look, it goes littler. So I'm just playing with this. But anyway, guys, so let's go look at what this Bitcoin pump has done to other cryptos today. Are we on a monumental pump yet, or is everything just where it was? Well, Unfortunately, this last dump with Bitcoin went to 39 and it absolutely wrecked things like the graph. As you see, red, all the way red, all the way red. Now we're starting to climb back up. But this was a serious, deep rut. I mean, we can look back a long ways and we don't really see any other area like this in a long. I mean, we haven't been this low since the last bear market, guys. We went to 49 the last bear market. So we went to 52 now. Guys, we are in, and that was a mini bear market. This is another reason that it's proving exactly what I'm saying. And everything that's happening is proving it, guys. I think my theory is probably going to work out. And if this theory works out, guys, my channel should blow up to 1 million subscribers because I just basically made you guys millionaires. Every single one of you will become millionaires if you listen to what I'm saying right now. Because look, I mean, we're in this same exact mini bear market within a giant bull market trend. And they're doing it again, guys. When something works out so perfectly the first time, why in earth would they not do it again? I mean, if they are able to manipulate the market in such a way that they can cause a 3-month bear market inside of a bull market, why wouldn't they do it again? Answer me that. Why wouldn't they do it again, guys? So answer me this again. If you were to make a trade and you made a whole lot of money and you figured out how to do that and you could do it again, you know what you need to do it again. Are you going to do it? Or are you just going to let that opportunity pass you by? That's the question that I want you to answer in the comments, wherever. What would you do? Do you follow the pattern? Do you wait? Or do you absolutely FOMO in? Well, never FOMO in, ever. But if you see all the other accumulation, now I would like to see whale accumulation. That would be something that let's look and see if we can't find the whale accumulation levels. I know, guys, this is just a learning episode. I didn't have anything planned for this episode because I wanted to just have a learning episode with us today. Is that kind of weird? I'm serious. I just wanted us to have like this Bitcoin conversation about how to learn about this stuff, guys. I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself a little bit, because that's one thing that other crypto analysts don't do. They don't teach you how to learn for yourself. So you always have to go to them. So what I do is, I learn for myself, but I still go to the other analysts to see what they're saying about it. So even if you teach somebody, they're still going to need your guidance. That's why a lot of these crypto analysts, besides a certain few that are really awesome, like Crypto Wendy is the best, and Altcoin Daily is pretty cool. There's a few select crypto influencers that are absolutely the best. And then there are some that I don't know about because I've never had real interaction. But I think that it's our responsibility to teach this next generation, or even the generation now. It doesn't even have to be the next generation, even the generation now, about how to learn how to do this themselves. So as you see, there are some news here. The whale, who happens to be the 3rd largest Bitcoin whale, has been buying Bitcoin in chunks for 9 straight days. Their latest purchase being on Thursday, when they added another 105 Bitcoin worth 5.96 million, roughly, whatever that is, to their wallet. But what I want to see is not just one whale, but I want to see whale accumulation and crypto quant. Okay. Multi-month accumulation. So this is all you have to do, guys. You just go and you look it up and then find the best thing and try to make it work the best for you. I've never used this before, so I want to see where this whale accumulation is at. Okay. It's price difference between Coinbase's BTC USD pair and Binance BTC USDT pair. Okay. Coinbase Premium. is $77 higher. Oh, okay. That isn't what I wanted, though. I wanted whale accumulation. Huh. Yeah, contents, whale accumulation. So is this? Yeah, this is all about just Coinbase's premium. Okay, see, this is one thing why whale dumping. Let's see what that says. Whale deposits on the exchange to see the possibility of whale dumping. And if these two indicators say there are many whales on the exchange, Bitcoin price is likely to bearish or going sideways. Okay. And what does it say? If any whales on the exchange. Okay. And this is exchange inflow. So that's dumping. Boom. And then is that where we are now, though? Is that March 2020? Okay, well, these aren't new. Ooh, see, the whales are buying a lot right here. You see all this whale accumulation right here after this dump, guys? Look at all that whale accumulation right here. Okay, look at that. That's pretty good news, guys. Look at all at when it dumped down here. I don't know if this is okay. This is definitely not new. Okay, never mind. This is $7,000. This is not where we are. Gosh. Okay, well, unfortunately, that's the problem with doing research is sometimes you run into the wrong thing. Like that was just garbage. That was hot garbage. For real, like that was not what we were looking for. Okay, maybe this is whale map. Okay. These might be better. Whale map. Ooh, on Twitter. Okay. I think there's a better one called Whale Alert, actually. And I've seen George use it. Let's do that. I'm just trying not to copy people straight out, but if they have a good thing that works, why not use it? So Whale Alert. I think I'm going to go to that one because George is smart. Okay, this one, see, 2 million followers compared to whatever that guy was. I mean, I don't mind supporting the smaller guy, but maybe let's see what his was. Okay, let's do that. Whale Alert, accumulation Bitcoin. Okay, where was it? Crypto Quant. Okay, let's give it a chance. Or actually, wait a minute. That isn't the one we were trying. Dang it! Oh, whale map. There we go. This is all it's talking. I just want to give both of them a shot. This guy only has 86K followers. So let's go to Whale Alert first, of course, because he has the most followers. And he's probably more accurate. Okay. An hour ago, 83,687,647 USDT transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. That's pretty big. That's $83 million. So transferred from unknown wallet to Kraken. Ooh, that means they're going to be buying crypto, guys. Whenever you see a large amount of USDT or a stablecoin moving to an exchange, that normally signals a buy for crypto. So that's good news. XRP transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. Well, that's good news for XRP. Look at that. 20 million XRP was just bought. $15 million. So, and another one from an unknown wallet to Binance. Wait, hold on. So wait, he bought 97? What? So it transferred from an unknown wallet to Binance, 20 million of them. And then look, he bought 97 of them and then sent it back out. What the heck, dude? Why would you do that? What? Maybe he had 97 in I don't know. There's no reason that you should do that, actually. I can't think of a reason why you would do that. But whatever, dude. These rich people are funny that way. 20,000 Ethereum transfer from unknown wallet to wrapped Ethereum. That's good news. That's interacting with the ecosystem. And this is all today, 6 hours ago. 20,000 Ethereum to unknown wallet from Binance. Bitcoin from Zappo to unknown wallet to Binance. Oh, that was probably up here. Yep, Binance to unknown wallet. I don't know why they send it over there and then send it back. It doesn't make sense because it's almost the same amount. I mean, it is the same amount. So some whale transferred 20 Ethereum over there and then transferred it back out. I mean, it's going to cost you like a couple $100 to do that. Why would you do that? I don't get it. Okay, and then we have more USDT transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet, $150 million. Jeez, 7,000 Ethereum from Binance to unknown wallet. People are stacking their Ethereum right now, guys. That's what that's telling. Unknown wallet to unknown wallet, 20,000 Ethereum. That was probably before it went over here to Binance. It's funny how you can actually track the same whale moving the same amount of money several different times. Isn't that funny? Now let's go look at Whale Map and let's give him a chance, guys. Whale Map's rise and it's token launch. Yes, it's token launch. Okay, they have a token launch, I guess. The longer we stay low, the more people will sell at a loss. The stronger the rebound will be. I like that. That's true. But I want those people to know they need to buy the crypto now. I don't want the people to lose. See, they want people to sell at a loss. That's the difference between most people and me. Like, yeah, I want dirty, rotten people, of course, to sell at a loss. But who's a dirty, rotten person? Like, you know, it's hard to narrow them down. So that's why it's like, yeah, I don't really want to take from anybody because you never know. Like, if you're taking somebody's money, whose money that might have been and where they might have needed it. Well, actually, the smart thing is never put any money into the market that you don't plan on losing. Because, of course, anything can happen and the market is a tricky beast. You can study it, you can learn it, but it automatically is manipulated by the billionaires that can move the market. Your little $10,000 can't do anything to the market, nothing. It won't move it in any direction. So you can move $10,000 all around all you want, but it's not going to do anything. So I don't even know if people are watching me right now. I don't care. I'm just doing this video. I don't even know if my inner counsel is here or not. I don't even have my phone on. I didn't even share this with anybody today. I mean, we just basically got on and started going at it. So let me see real quick. I am curious how we're doing. And I want to see the chat. So. Guys, please go show some love to my XYO video. This is ridiculous. And I'm really worried about my channel. I'm not complaining, guys, because I think my channel is going to succeed. But this makes me worry a little bit when I see one of my best videos not do what it should be doing. This one. So, don't want this stupid ad crap. 32 views from yesterday, my XYO. The last one I did got 350 views. How does this one get 32 views? It doesn't make sense. This is one of my more popular videos. So if you guys want to go show me some love over there and watch this video, share it, and get the word out, because let's look at XYO now. It was at what? 290 when I told you about it yesterday. Let's go look at it now. Okay? I'm still going to go over here to this because this was the whole point of this. And then, booyah. Okay, now I'm here with you. No chats. Okay. I'm at least going to share it over to Telegram so I can get my people over here. I'm at least going to share it over to Telegram. The more of you that join the live stream, the more random people will come to the live stream. Okay, there we go. So yeah, whale map. The longer we stay low, the more people sell at a loss. Let's make sure that I'm still okay. I'm still showing you my thing. I just want to make sure that happens to me sometimes. I don't like this one as much as the other one. Yeah, I think I like the other one better. Definitely whale alert is so much better. Hold on. More fingers point to 40K. Okay. Yeah, so I don't really like that. I mean, obviously he was kind of right because we did go to 40K, but now we are past that and we're back up. So, or did it already. So he was calling a 39,000 an area of interest for whales. Look at that. So we really need to start paying attention to these whales, guys, because I think this, look exactly where we went and look where the whale accumulation was. This tells us a lot right here, 39,470. Now let's go look exactly where we went. 39,558. Now let's go look at that again. 39,558, 39,470. See that? Whale accumulation of interest for whales. So they bought that up as soon as they saw the price of Bitcoin go back to that level. Oh, they swooped it up like candy, guys. That's why we didn't go down further, because the whales have a real interest at that level. And I'm sure some of the whales possibly even bought up at here too. So they probably bought down here. They probably bought over here. They probably bought up here. They probably bought over here. You know, there's a bunch of different levels that they buy these cryptos at. And so that's what you got to look at these things. And this is good information on this one. So good job, Whale Map, actually, because he had information that the other one didn't have. So that's good. That's what he needs to have to compete. So hold on. What is he saying here? This is January 7th. Moving profit and loss is a greater indicator of how much panic is happening on the market. High amounts of losses being transacted on chain equals more panic. So far, we are averaging about 470 million of losses every day, whereas previous macro bottom had days with upwards of 1.5 billion. So we're not losing that much. I mean, it is even showing that we're not in a panic area right now. As you see, we're only losing 470 million when we were losing 1.5 billion over here. So, but we're not here anymore. What he doesn't realize is that we're at, well, maybe back then on January 7th we were, but right now we're actually closer to the middle and almost the end of this. We're 2 months into this already, almost, basically. You know, we have 1 month left to go to the end of this, maybe even less than a month. So yeah, there would be more volume selling off, especially if you look, this was at 30,000 that they were all selling it off. People are comfortable up here at 40,000. They bought in at 20, 30, 40,000. You know, they're sitting comfy. So that's one thing we don't have to worry about with Bitcoin. The things are looking really good from, you know, top to bottom. I mean, %, 41.82% we dropped. Ooh, and I don't even think that's all the way to the bottom. Let's do that again. So 69,990 down to 39,625. 43% drop from top to bottom. And it is a couple days off. Dang it, I missed it again. Let me try to get it on the exact day. Okay, it's got to be November 10th. November 10th at the top to, when was this? January 10th. Wait, January 10th, exactly 2 months later from the top, we have a bottom. Okay, so 39.7 on January 10th. There we go. That's the real amount. Dang it, it's a little bit lower than that too. One more time, guys. Sorry, I really want to get this perfect for you. November 10th. January 10th, 39,625. Maybe it's the 11th. Let's try the 11th. There, that's what it was. So 42.34% from November 10th to January 11th. $29,000 it went down. $29,114.77 it went down from top to bottom. So we're looking good, guys. This is an actual normal correction. Yeah, normal is anywhere from 30 to 50%. So we're good. And the time frame that we saw this from top to bottom, boom. So that was what, 2 months from top to bottom. Well, let's go look at this one back here. So the actual bottom, if you look where we're at right here, oh, it's so much harder to see on this part. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I gotta move this and actually even zoom out even more. There we go. Okay, maybe I can do this now. It's gonna be easier in a bigger screen, man. Oh, this looks just so bad. I need it to just go to default setting. I wonder how to do that. Just default setting it. Okay. Okay, so we would be right here. That's where I was trying to go, from right up here at this top. Okay, on what, April 14th? Is that what it, yeah, April 14th was our first top. And then if we are basically where we are now, it would be to June 22nd, right? April, May, June. So 2 months. This is exactly where we are from top to bottom, from here and to here. Exactly the same time frame, guys. Exactly. This is huge. You guys don't even understand how huge this is. The same thing is happening. My theory is being proven over and over and over and over and over again. I wonder if anybody else is talking about this. I wonder if I started like a discussion about this. I hope so. Because this is real. I can prove same exact time from top to bottom, exactly the same over here from top to bottom. Kind of weird, huh? Or not. Or planned. Or a pattern, right? This is a pattern. And I saw it. And everything is telling me that it's true. Now, this went 55% from top to bottom, guys. So we've gone even less. This was $36,148 from top to bottom. And it bottomed out right around $28,880, right? Right here. Or even down here. I think it might have, no, it hit it right here. Yeah, this was the one that it hit. And then it wicked down there, and then it went here to 29 something, and then blast off. So that's what's happening next. So this is where we are now. This is the next phase we're going to see here. So I wish there was a way that I could like copy this area right here and then project it over to here and put it over here. Then I could show you what it would look like. You know what I mean? So just basically we are at this area right here. So we are going to probably see a recovery, as this says, and then further drops, and then a pump. So guys, if we do drop further, just know that this is planned. If we don't, we could completely bypass this area and move directly to this one. That is a possibility that we don't have this last little area. But patterns are patterns, right? So we're probably going to have this area before we blast off because it's a pattern, right? And we are definitely holding our head and shoulders neckline. That's why we haven't broke down. Both of these are actually head and shoulders patterns. If you look from here to here, this guy actually mentioned this, and it's a very devastating pattern for us right here as crypto enthusiasts. Because right here, it technically says that we already broke down from it. So I don't believe this pattern, not even a little bit. You could straighten it out, and then it would actually be different. So yeah, you could do it like this. And then technically we haven't broke out of it yet. You see what I mean? We just wicked below it right there. So that's a possibility too. That is the neckline. And if we do break that, yes, we go down further. So just keep that in mind. I don't think that's going to happen. What I think is going to happen is what I showed you. Why do I show you both scenarios, guys? If I think that this is what's going to happen, why do I show you a bearish scenario? Because I want you as educated as possible. I want you to take every situation that could happen, put them up in your brain, and come up with a conclusion of your own. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I am here to lead you into your own positive money-making decisions. That's what we're here for, is to lead you on a place where you can recognize it and make money for yourself, because I cannot financially advise you, but I can lead you to something and let you make your own decision about it. As you see, there is a lot of accumulation at 47,000. And then actually there was a lot of accumulation at 30,000, but hold on. Let's try to get it back up where we were up here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Wait. Honestly, I don't know how I did that. How did I get the line to go up top like that before? Oh, the farther out you go. Maybe not. That's a big accumulation area, though. As you see right here, look at all the accumulation at 56,000, guys. Do you see all of the purchases right here? And this level of whatever? Now, that's pretty decent. That's a big area of accumulation right here. Bigger than all the other areas around it. Why? Guys, when you sit at a certain area for a long time, so buy orders are like this. They go every second, every minute, every millisecond. Just boom, 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 boom. Buy order, buy order, buy order, sell order, sell order, sell order. And it goes every second, right? So the longer that you're at a certain level, the more those buy and sell orders are going to go through. Boom, 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 boom. More accumulation, more accumulation, more accumulation. If it goes up, there's less selling, more buying, more buying, more buying. Then panic selling, FOMO, all of that. So that's why you have these different levels. But if I am correct, this is exactly what is going to happen. And let's see if we can copy this down to the T. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. And that's what I'm hoping for right there. That will be the same exact pattern that happened there, and the same exact time frame from top to bottom too. That's the thing. I'm not just saying, oh, well, it looks like that. There is a lot of stuff that is actually proving my hypothesis, including the first initial drop and then the further drop in the middle exactly 2 months later. Exactly the same amount of time frame that it happened right here. So these two things are exactly the same. These two things are exactly the same. These two things are exactly the same. And we're looking at basically the same thing happening twice. So what do you guys think about that? I really want to know, honestly, because this is one of my best theories I've ever had. So what's up, yo? Just play Skynet 7. Oh. You know, some of these channels have like 500 people watch them all at once, or 1,000, and they hardly have any subscribers. I wonder how they do that. I hate to think that, you know, YouTube is not showing my videos to people, but it just seems like that. the more that I advertise and the more that I do, the less views I get. Like that 30 viewed XYO video. That's one of my best viewed videos. Why did it only get 30 views? So that sometimes there's something wrong with the algorithm on my channel, guys. I'm not complaining. I'm being honest. You don't just go from getting a 300 viewed video to a 30 viewed video on the same topic. That's not. If it was a different topic, I could see, but the same top, yeah, that doesn't happen. It doesn't make sense to me. Every time I think I know the algorithm, it changes, and then it does something else. But this is what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. We are not going to spend much more time on this. I'm going to do some Q&A now. I do want to actually, before we do that, I do want to talk about the graph and Algorand. And then I will be looking at my Q&A if you guys want to talk about the cryptos and you want to look at one, just let me know. I have my chat right here so that I can talk with you about that. So all right. Well, on the graph, it's looking bullish. It looks like we just had a falling wedge breakout right here. No, we don't. Not quite yet. Not quite. We're right on that resistance point right here, right now on the graph. Look at that beautiful resistance that we have right there. It's not really beautiful. It'll be beautiful if we break above it. Look at the volume. It's basically deciding right now, are we doing this? Are we going to break above this barrier or are we not? Yeah, definite resistance right there. So let's see if we have, a breakout from this. And let's go look at the shorter time frames. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay. See, it broke way out of here. And then, actually, hey, if you look, we're broke out, guys. We are broken out. And look at the volume that it took to do it. That's why I love looking at the 4 hour chart, because you can see we are officially broke out of this resistance right here. Nice. Now let's look at the 1 hour. Oh, yeah. Look at all that volume right here, baby. That's what we need as a breakout. Cool. And now it's support. See how it touches it as support now? On the way, when it goes down, it touches the top. This used to hold us back, and now it's acting as a level of support. Let's go look at some indicators now and see where we're sitting. So 58, and we're at 59. We're above the EMA 9, which is, of course, the first one we break above. So, the 21, nice. Okay, 50. This is where we're either we just broke above it or this is going to be our resistance. No. Well, we broke above it way back here. Okay, this big dip that we had changed everything. When it went down to 52 cents, okay, I haven't looked at it for a little while because the last time I looked, everything was above the thing. It was above it. Now we're below it, so that's pretty good. Let's look at the 100 now. The 100. I mean, I don't know, guys. Let's find out. Okay, the 100 is where? Oh, the yellow. Okay, the yellow. We're above the 100. Wait, if we are above the 200, guys, the graph is in beast mode. Oh, dang it. Our last level of resistance, guys. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Okay, well, if we break above this, as you see, how I said this was our new support, you can see this is our new resistance. As it went right up and it touched that line and it said, yeah, no, we can't break that one, not yet. But next time we go up, we'll go up with a bigger force and hopefully break above that 200-day moving average. And then we could probably go to 70 cents after that. I don't know if you can do the VPVR on here or if that even is anything on here. VPVR. No. They don't have a VPVR on here. Maybe that's only for Bitcoin. I don't know. So 4 hour, looking good, breakout. And we can look at these moving averages on the breakout on the 4 hour as well. So let's just do another EMA. 9, 57. The 100 is at 62. So that's the next one we're going to have to break up. Let's look at the 50 though, because we might be below the 50 on the 4 hour. Yeah, the 50 is our resistance on the 4 hour. As you see, we kissed right up and touched it. So this is going to be our new resistance at about 59 cents right here. If we can break up to 60 with some volume again, then we're going to break out of that resistance line. So it looks pretty good so far. As long as Bitcoin doesn't have another dump, I think the graph will recover quite nicely. Now let's go look into Algorand, because I am just accumulating as much Algorand as I possibly can, guys. And if there's other stuff, 3-minute videos every morning and afternoon. Too much content? No, because it says it's rewarding me for my content. That's the thing. I can't figure it out. Actually, I think I have, guys. I think I ruined my channel. That's what I think happened. And how did I do it? With Google Ads. Google Ads is the worst thing you could do to your channel, guys. I hate it. Because every time, I think that's why I only got 30 views on my XYO video, because I use Google Ads and they're supposed to give you lots of views, right? And help your channel. Well, they only watch my videos for maybe 30 seconds. Even if it's an hour-long video, 30 seconds, that's all I get out of these people. Or bots, or whatever Google is sending over to me that says male and female, but then there's no comments, there's no likes, there's no very little subscribers. There are some subscribers off of that, but it doesn't make sense. And then my channel suffers right afterwards. Let's go. I just want to show, since we're talking about this, I'm going to show you guys. Let's go to the channel. Okay. And then let's go look at videos. Okay. Look at my point. 33 views on one of my best videos, right? Should I buy XYO? Is now the right time? It was at 290. We're still going to go look at that. I forgot. But let's go back and look at my last XYO video just for reference. Same thumbnail nonetheless. Okay. I used the same thumbnail because it was awesome. It did really good the first time. Where is this thing? Right here. XYO massive movement incoming. 358 views. My last XYO video. Really good, right? Really good. 358. But the day after I stopped using Google Ads, look at all of my videos. 45, 33, 87, 73. It's like, man, I'm getting big views on my ICP videos because I'm advertising them with Google Ads. That's why, to blow my channel up. But it's actually affecting the rest of my channel in a very negative way. And I don't understand how Google can do that to you. They help you and burn you at the same time. I hate complaining, guys, but this is my truth. This is my truth. Like, I don't understand why a business would give you a hand and shoot you in the foot at the same time. You know what I mean? That doesn't make sense why they would do that. Oh, money. Oh, it does make sense. Okay, they just want my money. And so the worse my videos do, the more I have to use Google Ads and the more money they make. So what they're going to do is push down all my other videos? Like, why is this one doing bad? There's no reason that this video should do this bad. I mean, that's one of my worst viewed videos ever. 33 views? I mean, we haven't got that kind of low view in a long, and especially one of my best topics that I normally get a lot of views on. Do you see anything under 30 views here, guys? No, because it doesn't happen to my channel. So Google Ads, this is proof that Google Ads is destroying my channel. And that's probably why when I put a new channel and I put up new uploads on the new channel, they do better than this one. Let's go look at that too. I want to show you what, I'm going to do this live, guys, because I'm going to put Google on blast. They haven't helped me. I've sent 10,000 letters to them. They always have some excuse. Oh, that's just the way the blockchain, that's just the way the algorithm is. No, dude, something is messing over my channel and you guys are not helping me. So let's look at, it's this one. 71 views 10 days ago. And look how many subscribers I have. 1,820 subscribers. Now let's go and let's look at Jeff's crypto journey. I just want to make a point here. I'm not complaining. I'm just showing you exactly what is going on. Jeff's crypto journey. One video, 74 views, 0 subscribers at the time. It got 7 subscribers from this video. The only video I uploaded, 74 views. Now let's go back and look at the 1,800 subscribed channel. How many views it got? Okay. And I even showed Google this. I said, I did an experiment, guys. 71 views. 74 views. How is that possible with a channel with 0 subscribers? That I get more views on the same video, same title, same description, same metadata, different channels. This one did better with 0 subscribers than 1,800 subscribers over here. Same exact video. 10 days ago, I did it at the exact same time. So there is something broken in the algorithm with my channel, and they won't fix it, guys. So I'd appreciate if you could write to YouTube. Again, I'm not complaining. This is wrong. A channel with 0 subscribers should not get more views on the same video with 1,800 subscribers. It means they're blocking people from seeing my videos. They're not showing it the same way they do for a brand new video. So that doesn't make sense. They should still give me that love plus the same love as my new subscribers. So I should got these 74 views, the same ones, plus all my subscriber views. You see? So I should have had 74 here because of the natural YouTube views like this. And then I should have got at least another 71 views from my subscribers. So if you look at that, it should have been 74 plus 71. That would have been 145 views. And I would have been okay with that. If this one would have had 145 and this one would have had 74, I would have been like, yes, of course, that's the algorithm. Of course, I had no subscribers. That should happen. But when a channel has 74 views on, obviously people like my stuff, because I could start a new channel, get 7 subscribers in one video with 74 views. Not the best. It isn't going viral, but it shows that people want to watch my videos. But why would less people want to watch my long-term show than a brand new one? It's the algorithm. It's broken for small channels. The algorithm is absolutely not broken for big channels. That is what they're not understanding what I'm saying. For smaller channels, look at Disruptive Wealth Creation. That guy has been busting his butt forever, and he gets thousands of views on his videos, not a whole lot of subscribers. So it doesn't make a lot of sense to me what they do to these small channels. I think he should have over 1,000 subscribers right now. I think his content puts him at least over 1,000, but he doesn't yet. There is something wrong with the small. And what I think is the more people you get to help your channel and the more people that watch your channel, it actually makes your channel suffer. Because like Disruptive Wealth Creation has a lot of comments. He has people come comment. Well, that actually is hurting your channel. When YouTube sees all these outside people coming in and commenting, the same people over and over, it actually makes them, and I think that's what happened here, is because I have a lot of the same subscribers. When they watch it, it actually doesn't count, and the algorithm to put my video on hold and don't show it to anybody. I think they have like a freeze frame. Guys, there has to be something that we don't know about to make this happen. 71 views. I had 1,700 subscribers at the time, 1,760. 0 subscribers, 74 views. Guys, tell me that ain't broken. That is a broken system. And then the 300 viewed video with the XYO, the very last XYO video I did, 358 views. Yet this one, 33. 33. That's my lowest viewed video ever. So thanks a lot, YouTube. I appreciate for nothing, actually. I mean, I could literally go get more viewers on Twitch, or I could go get more viewers on Instagram. Like, you're giving me 3 people to watch my videos. Thanks a lot, I guess. No? I'm actually, dude, it just makes me so mad the more I talk about it. The more I think about it, the more, like, when I don't think about it, it doesn't bother me. But the more I think about it, the more it's messed up, the more they don't care that they're walking all over me. They are stomping me into the ground. with my channel. And they do it with videos that should do really good, like this one. Should I buy XYO right now? Is the right, this is, yeah, I want to know, should I buy it right now? Like, do we buy XYO right now? Let's go look at it. If it's above 290, let's see. 292, well, it's basically right there, but you wouldn't have lost any money. So, and I told you to buy it down here. Yeah. So actually you would have gained a little bit of cash up here at 3, see? So anyway, I just don't know why that video did so bad. Because my Google ads probably, because Google is, it destroys your YouTube channel, guys. I don't know why they want you to use their advertisement when their advertisement is destroying your channel. It is. It's literally destroying my channel. It does good on the videos for 30 seconds. Like, I want to show you some of these. I'm going all in. We're doing it. I'm putting YouTube on blast and Google because they're garbage, man. They are literally giving you garbage as food and telling you to eat it and it's good, but you taste it and it's garbage. Like, they're giving you garbage as pizza. Like, it's garbage in the form of pizza and they're giving it to you and you're eating it, but it's garbage. So it tastes like garbage. It doesn't taste like pizza. You can put garbage in any form you want. It's still garbage. Let's look at all these huge videos. Oh yeah, I got what? I paid a $500 overnight, and I got this. Okay, this is probably my biggest argument to where these guys suck. Look at the view duration. My normal is between 3 and 4 minutes, but I use Google Ads. Look at my click-through rate, still really high, right? 9.1%. That's pretty good. But look at that view duration, 55 seconds. Let's see how long the video is. 17 minutes and 39 seconds. Just, are you going to just steal from me, Google? Are you just going to literally steal my money, charge me double, and then give me crappy views? I'm not happy, Google, at all. And I've told you 1,000 times, you don't ever respond. You always respond with these generic texts that tell me I'm wrong. Look at your system. It's garbage. Look at this one, 20-minute video. My normal time, 3 to 4 minutes, 43 seconds. This is what they do to my channel, guys. They destroy it with their garbage numbers. Look at this one, 34 minutes long. 1 minute for a 34-minute long video. What's my average? 3 minutes. I mean, it's just, it almost makes me want to give up, guys, like for real. Why am I doing this? Let's look at this one, the XYO one that I just did that did crappy. 10 minutes, 6.7% click-through rate, 324. That's because it wasn't advertised. Look at all my view duration is always 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. People watch my videos that come here, but they don't give me new people to watch them. I don't get it. I don't get it. They'll literally settle for a 1 minute view duration for the Google ads, right? And they've charged me almost $1,000 for all those views. So we got a ton of views on all of our ICP videos, which is good, but it kind of destroyed the rest of the channel. And this is all just proof. Every single thing that I have is proof that they are just doing my channel dirty. There's something wrong that needs to be fixed. There's like, you know how if you have gears and one of the gears stops working, it messes the whole system up? I think that's the problem. I think there's a gear broken. I don't think the whole system's broken. I think there's a gear broken in my YouTube channel, and they don't know where it is, and they aren't going in to try to fix it. That's the problem. Because when you get 30, yeah, I don't want to talk about it anymore. It's just going to make me even more mad, guys. But yeah, there's proof that YouTube is definitely doesn't have my best interest at heart. They obviously don't even care about me at all. So, or else they wouldn't do that to my videos. They wouldn't charge me $1,000 and then give me the worst views that they can possibly give me. Like, for real, Google Ads is a scam, dude. A straight up scam. Like, they charge me way too much money for garbage views. Now, if these were real people, If these were actual YouTube viewers that came on and watched my video, subscribed, commented, liked, then it would be worth paying them. But they're giving me bots, guys. I guarantee it, they're not real people. 100%. Google uses the same technique that scammers do. They spam your account with bots. And it's been proven. They've done it to me before. They destroyed my channel then because it lowered my click-through rate and my audience retention time. And same with Google Ads. So I've destroyed my channel. That's why when you see these two things side by side, my two channels or whatever, I'm not even going to go into that right now. But when you see those things side by side, you can tell there's something wrong there. And they don't see it with their eyes. They don't see what I see when I watch my channel every day. And I'm telling them my views are lacking right now. Something's wrong with my channel. Something, you guys are doing something to my channel, or something in the cog is broken for small channels. Like I should be moving to 10,000 already because of just my people. Like I have at least 100 people, or what, 60, 70 some on Telegram that follow me all the time, and then even more on Express Crypto, and then my family and my friends, and that follow me whenever they want, because I don't tell them to do anything, and they probably wouldn't even if I told them, because they want me to do it on my own. But that's the thing. It's like, even if I have a ton of help, YouTube is burying that help, and I don't understand why. I just want to know why, YouTube. Like why I keep telling them, quit destroying my channel, man. You are destroying my, and they're like, we wouldn't do that. We have your best interest at heart. Dude, I'm showing you, you don't have my best interest at heart at all. You are here to take my money, and that's it. And I don't appreciate it. You take my money, help me grow. Like if you did that to Mr. Beast, imagine where he would be. You wouldn't get the 80, 90 million viewed videos you get because you buried him. If you did the same thing to Mr. Beast, obviously you didn't use Google Ads, because Google Ads do not work. They actually destroy your channel. I don't get that, but there's got to be a way to advertise without destroying your channel completely. And look, I've only had 3 viewers the whole time. I mean, these 3 have stuck with me the whole time, but why haven't I got any more views at all this whole video? But 3. They block me. I don't know what it is. They don't want me to be heard. I mean, dude, they can't even give me 10 viewers anymore on my channel, like 3? Dude, I'm going to stop doing videos, man. I'm not doing this for 3 views. I'm serious. I don't care what anybody says. You can say, don't get mad at your channel. I don't care anymore. Like, I'm just sick of it. I really am. I don't do all this for 3 stinking views, man. What is the point of it? Like, I woke up early. My nice sleep schedule that I have, like, I wake up early to do this for you guys, and YouTube won't even help me out to get more than, it isn't you guys. Like, I'm happy with you. My viewers are awesome. I love you guys. But it's YouTube that's destroying me, and I need your help. If you guys would help me, then we could just overthrow YouTube. And if you guys show me the amazing amount of love that you have before, now, tell YouTube that they need to help my channel. Tell Google they need to do something about my channel. Say your favorite channel, whatever. You can tell. Show the evidence I gave you. Be like, there's something wrong with that. I'm not paying $1,000 to destroy my channel. Like, why would I pay you to destroy something that I'm building? And then you destroy it and give me garbage click-through rates. And then nobody watches my videos after. That's the thing. What it does to me afterwards, after I run these ads, is deplorable. Like, for real. 45 views. After I did these ads, look at what I've got now. 45, 33, 87, 3. It's a joke, 73. This one, that was just a good video, obviously. This one, 92. This probably should have at least 300 views. My ICP videos naturally get 300 views, just by proxy. This one cost me about $1,000 to get that many views. It's just garbage, man. It didn't cost that much, but it was just way too much for these views. They doubled my last, when I advertised Flare, they charged me 2 cents. Now they're charging me anywhere from 4 to 5 cents per click. They're just doing me dirty, man. All they want is my money. That's all they're trying to do, is steal my money. And it really irritates me a lot. So anyway, I'm done rambling. I hope you guys have my back. I'm not going to do this ramble anymore. This is the one video, guys. So I had to get it out of my system. From now on, we're just going to either move forward or I'm going to quit. So I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I at least have to, if I quit, I'm just going to start making pure ICP videos because I have already made a commitment. I'm going to stick with that. So if you guys don't see me on any other videos, I might just be doing ICP videos from now on. I don't know. I have to do some thinking, guys, because I'm not doing a YouTube channel for this. I won't. I think they treat their small creators very poorly. I don't think they do anything to help. I can show you YouTube doesn't help me at all. I mean, it's just YouTube. I get all of my views from outside of YouTube. All of them, except 4%. I'm going to show you. It's garbage, guys. I mean, it's like they do it on purpose and don't think I can read the statistics. Okay, well, let's show what YouTube does for me. So the top one that helps me is Reddit. Look at that. 36% of my views come from Reddit. Don't you think the top should be YouTube giving me the most views since I'm actually advertising on YouTube? Freaking irritating. Then we have Creator Studio, which that might be YouTube, Facebook, Google Search, Twitter, DuckDuckGo. Oh, hold on. I forgot Google Search, then YouTube. 5.2%. There it is. 5.2%. That's all YouTube will help me. Reddit helps me more, YouTube. Why? Irritate the heck out of me, dude. Piss me off, actually. Like, I'm just sick of it. I'm tired. I'm sick of YouTube not helping me. Like, YouTube, you are the person I work for. You're supposed to lift your creators up, not push them down. It irritates me more than anything, guys, when I look at this. When I look at the advertising is 29% of my views. YouTube search 31. That's because of my titles. That's not because YouTube is helping me. That is my titles that get me that. The YouTube search, that's only because of my titles. That isn't because YouTube is helping me. Now let's go look. This is where YouTube helps you. Suggested videos. This shows you exactly how much YouTube thinks of me. 0.7. They suggest my videos less than 1%. Less than 1. Dude, it makes me sick. It actually hurts my stomach. Like, you know when crypto goes down and we go like $10,000 to $20,000 down at once? That's the feeling that this gives me in the pit of my stomach. To know that the person that I bust my butt for every day thinks this of me. 7 freaking percent. Not 7, 0.7. Other YouTube features, playlists, hashtag pages, director unknown is above that. Notifications is above that. That's the people that hit the bell icon and watch my videos. 1.2%. That's above suggested videos. Come on, YouTube. Tell me that your system isn't broken on my channel. Shorts feed. 25% of my views come from Shorts feed. But now all the other YouTubers are over there, and so they cut my views down over there too. When I used to get like 500 to 1,000 every video. So yeah, YouTube has just destroyed my channel. They want me to become a Shorts, obviously. That's why they're pushing my Shorts so much, and that's why they aren't pushing any of my other videos at all, suggested videos. So it is what it is, guys. They're rotten people. They really are. I cannot. When you tell somebody about a problem and then they tell you you're wrong and you prove it to them and they tell you you're wrong and you prove it to them and then they tell you you're wrong every time, I'm done. What else can I do? It's up to you guys. If you want to save my channel, then you can help me. If not, I'm probably going to quit. I'm serious. I'm probably going to do ICP videos, and you'll just have to look for other people to do other crypto videos because I'm done. I'm done with YouTube just doing me dirty, man. It's happened every day. I mean, they let my channel start to recover a little bit, and then they just do me dirty. Now that I should have never used Google Ads, man. That's what destroyed my channel. Never use Google Ads, guys. All right, that being said, you know what time it is? Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!